Success is not destination, but the journey to the future. Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for hearing us. We are from Group 6. Now we are going to present our material Project 1 ITDD. But before we are going to our presentation session, let me introduce me and my friends. My name is Annisa, Nadhiratu, Afifah, and I'm going to be a moderator and the first speakers.
Hello, my name is Tasya Nurul Fadillah, and I am the second speaker.
Hello, my name is Marsya Nashwa. I am three speaker.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Abrar Rezki Zalvian, and I'm the fourth speaker.
Okay, this time we will explain how process Excel data from the company. We will take Walmart as a company that will processing the data. Let's be talking about Walmart. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation that operates and chain on the hypermarkets, also called supercenters, discount department store, and the grocery store in the United States, headquartered in the Bentonville, Arkansas. The company purpose of the Walmart is help people live better lives. Saving money has been core to that purpose since the beginning. But today, live better means more. Customers has always trust us for low prices. But they also want to know that the products they buy are good for their families, the people who met them, and the planet.
Company services sells a wide variety of merchandise and apparel, household goods, books, jewelry, food and beverage, pharmaceutical supplies, and automotive equipment. Next, data provided. The data provided is many properties owned by each branch according to the following record and payable dates, debt repayments, product code table, and to facilitate the presentation of this data, companies usually use Microsoft Excel. And the formula that we use is first, sum. The sum function adds values. You can add individual values, cell references, or range, or a mix of all three. And there's the example below. Next, the formula is if. If checks a given condition and returns a particular value if it's true. It will return another value if the condition is false. And there is the example below.
Next, formula days. Days is calculate the number of days between two dates. There is formula example below. And formula next, average. The average function focuses on calculating the average of the select rates of the cell values. It automatically calculates the average, and you can store the result in your desired location. There is formula example below. Next, formula SLN. SLN is calculates the straight line depreciation of an asset for one period. There is a formula example below. And next, SYD calculate the sum of years digit depreciation of an asset for a specific period. There is example Formula example below. Next. 7. Round a number to a specific number of digits. For example, if cell A1 contains 23.782 and you want to round that value to two decimal fraction of an asset for one period. This is formula example below. 8. Max. Return the largest value in a set of values. It's commonly used in financial analysis, data analysis, and various other scenarios where finding the maximum value is important. This is formula example below.
Okay. Net product function. Product function is to multiplies all the numbers given as arguments and returns the product. Here is an example of formula of product function. Next is code function. Code function is that find the numeric code that represents the first character of a text string. This function is particularly useful when you're working with non-printable or special characters and need to obtain their numeric codes. This is the example below, the formula of code function. Okay, next, 11. Car plus run between function. Car functions command that users can type into the function box to generate specific characters using a number code. Functions generate random numbers between two. So car plus run between functions to generate a random string of characters. This is an example of formula car plus run between function. And the 12 is concatenate. Concatenate function used to join different pieces of text together or combine values from several cells into one cell. And as you can see in below, this is an example of formula. Okay, next. 13. Run between plus day function. This is to generate random dates between two dates. This is an example of formula. And the last function. This is 14. Concatenate plus left text plus right function. Concatenate used to join different pieces of text together or combine values from several cells into one cell. And left text take the left side with the same date format. Right take the right side of character. As you can see in the below, this is an example of formula concatenate plus left text plus right. And I think that's all from me. I'll give it to Annisa.
Okay, thank you to Abrar. From the last explanation shows by Abrar Rezki Zalvian, our presentation will be ending. As a moderator, I'm sorry if there are mistakes from us. So, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.